Hey, good morning, everybody. Gary Porter again. I've got a cap bank here, 6 caps. These are the 500 farad. I'm thinking about taking energy from the stack. The master is at the bottom, and then that's also a slave, all the way up. So there's like eight slaves, one master, and I've started wiring it up. I've still got parts to put in here. Some caps I'm missing. They're on the way. So the battery will be used to start it. Energy feeds back. These are the coils. These top 4 are single 500 turn, and you can see this. This is quite a quite an arrangement, let me tell you. And I had to rotate them partially so I could get at the pots. And so we're going to use these 8 coils in the bottom here are dual, and I'm going to use the second coils to provide energy back to the battery. So it should be minimal energy to run it. And the idea is to take these. This is the main coil going down through the whole set, and this is a dual. It's also a dual coil. 26 gauge wire and some 22 gauge wire each coil, and I can do those bifilar, whatever I want to do. So we'll see where it goes from here. But anyway, the deal, if it works and it runs off this cap bank without the battery, then this could be one serious device. It doesn't have to be small like this. It could be massive. So, and I'll be self-running, producing energy. Anyway, this is where we are. Have a good day.